You can be the captain and I can be your first mate. You can be the chills that I feel on our first date. You can be the hero and I can be your sidekick. You can be the tear that I cry if we ever split. You can be the rain from the cloud when it's storming, or you can be the sun when it shines in the morning. Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause boy, you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we need. 'Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, you're the smoke to my high, and you're the one I wanna marry.
Hey everyone, my name is Andrea, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. This is my Valentine's Day look. It's very simple, yet somewhat pink? I don't know. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed and ready to go. So I'm gonna use Maybelline Crease. I'm gonna use the shade Old Fashioned. I'm gonna do it all over my crease. Now I'm gonna go into Soft Glam. I'm gonna use Rustic. And right there, I'm just gonna go to the outer area. Now I'm gonna blend it all in together, so it's not too harsh. I'm gonna go back into Lemonade Crease and I'm gonna use Sherbet. I'm just gonna pack that right here on my lid. And then bring it all together. And usually I just leave my eyeshadow like this, but today I might put in some glitter. So I'm gonna use Strawberry Lemonade. Just gonna put a little bit. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so I did my foundation, and I used Estee Lauder in the shade Tawny. I used to be Honey Brown, but I guess I got lighter. I don't know, but I feel like it's like too light for me. I don't know, but they say this is my color, so I'm going to now bronze up my face and everything. I'm gonna contour my nose first, and then the way I contour my nose is I use a Hoola Benefit, but I use my nail filer to like kind of so I just right there in the middle, right here in the middle, and bronze it, contour it. So now I have like a guideline, and I'll just start to blend it all in together. And I like to put it at the bottom of my nose here. Supposedly it makes your nose look shorter, but to me it looks the same, but I still do it. I like to go in with my beauty blender to kind of push it in together. Does my nose look skinnier? Because I have a pretty big nose. So after that, I will contour with my MAC. MAC Give Me Sun. And I'm kind of running low on it, but I will bronze everywhere. Now that that's done, I go back into the Hoola bronzer to just sharpen up right here a little bit. And then I'll kind of blend it together. For my blush, I used the Note in a shade Desert Rose. This, I like to go like everywhere, around on my nose. So I like to start back here, then bring it forward, right here, everywhere, and then even here a little bit to make it kind of like curve like that. And then of course on my nose a little bit right there. So I don't know if you can see, but I have a little mark right here. And I like to bring it back to life because I don't know, I like it. So I just like to bring it back to life. So I use the Cypress number shade and go in very lightly. Right there. Like that. And then I will just go back in my beauty blender and push it in to make it look a little more realistic. Like it's supposed to be there, you know? And there it is. I don't want it to be like super out there, I just want it to be like a little bit noticeable. And so now I'm gonna do my under eyes. And for my under eyes, I'm just gonna use the same colors. So I'm gonna use I'm just gonna use the Old Fashioned and then put it everywhere. Underneath my eyes. What's the matter, my love? And I'll go back with the soft glam and use Rustic again, but this time only a little outer, just like the middle. Yes. I don't know where you put yours. Maybe here somewhere. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. She has a little fuzzy on her hand and she wants it off, so I had to take it off. Bless you. And that's the look. But now of course I'm gonna do my mascara and then my lips and my hair. So now I'm gonna do my mascara, then I'll do my lips. But I'm gonna clean up my lip a little bit because there's some powder on there. Ew, what is ew? What are you doing that's so ew? That sticker is ew. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my mascara and my lip. First, I'm gonna set my face, and I use Mario Badescu. I used to use MAC, but I ran out, and I wanted to try this out because I saw a lot of good reviews on it. So I've been trying this out for I think like the past month, and I've been liking it so far. Use these receipts. And I also like to set my brows with the e.l.f. And I have some spray stuck right here. Forget to highlight. I like to set my face first and then do highlight. I don't really like to highlight then set my face because for some reason I feel like it takes the highlight away. I don't know, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but I'm gonna use right here and here and a little on my nose. Okay, now I'm gonna do my mascara. I had to use Wander Beauty Unlashed for my top, as well as the Valentines Last Paradise for the top as well. And then for my bottom, I use Telescopic. Okay, so for my lip, I use Italia Deluxe in shade Coffee. It's just a lip liner, and then I just used that. Usually I might go with like one of my glosses, but today I want to keep it just like simple. I don't know, just start doing my hair. So I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and I threw on some pink earrings. So this is how it came out. And I just paired it with a jean jacket and a white shirt. But I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.